So because my eye is not so great, and yeah, I've been doing this kind of thing now for a few months. I just thought I would kind of record. So I don't know if people can see what I'm I can see them specifically, but the details on them I can't see. So I'm gonna have to do, this is how I've done all of this. I've done all of it by feel. So I have this little board. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of, apologies that it's backlit, but I've got this little board, and there are individual tiny little things here. So there are, on this board, there are 6. Okay, so I have 4 of these little, what do you call it? I don't even know what they're called now. Connectors. I have 4 of these little connectors that need to go into 4 of the ports on this board. And that is really, really, really hard when you can't see, because there's a right side and a wrong side, and they won't fit if they're so it's really, really hard for me to see in general, but it's probably very hard in the video as well. So basically the connectors themselves have a shape to them, and there are 2 wires. The only reason I know this is because on the instructions they actually go into detail. So this is the instructions that come with the light kit that I bought, which are great, except if, you know, because I can zoom in on those to see them. But it's really, really hard when you can't actually see what you're doing with this. So I'm trying to think how to best do this without my hand being in the way. So it's really, really hard because, as I said, there's a wrong way and a right way for these. And really, they won't go in if they're the wrong way. So basically what I've been having to do, I don't know how that, yeah, my hand's in the way. Let's move this back a bit. So basically what I have to do is just kind of feel for it to go in. So that one's, I guess, not going in. It must be the wrong way around. So rotate it. Sometimes I rotate the whole board that I'm trying to get it to go into, while other times I just rotate the little tiny piece. And this can take me what would have probably been a few minutes previously, now can be like an hour or 2, me trying to feel my way to get these to work. Well, I think I almost had it there. So it gets really frustrating. Yep, see, so there we go. So that's it popped in. So as soon as it catches, it will pop in, but it's trying to find that actual thing. So I can't see it, but I can feel it catch, because it slowly pushes itself in. So I have another one here that has to be done, same kind of thing. I would have to go through the same process again of trying to figure out which way goes in. So it's all done by feel for me. And of course, because of my dexterity and my hands, I can't always do this, because I can't always hold a pen or a pin or a sewing needle. So some of these days, some days that I have a good day or a bad day, I can't actually hold these wires. So yes, I am holding it funny. Oh, there we go. I think it's caught. Is it caught? If I push, what will happen? Will it snap in? Is it? Yeah. Okay. So you do actually hear a pop when it snaps in, which is nice because, you know, it really helps me to know. But it's really hard if you can't see it, and you have to try and do it all by feel. But it looks beautiful when it's lit up. So I will post a video eventually of what it looks like when it's lit up, but I just wanted to show how difficult it can be when you can't, like, I can see the wire in general, but I can't see what it looks like on the end. So I might as well be wearing a blindfold, basically, and doing this all by feel. Basically, that's how it feels to me right now. So, so you'll see that, you know, as I said, it can take me a while. Some days it goes quickly. Oh, that one I think caught quite quickly. Has it? Yes, it has. Aha! So some days it goes really fast. Other days it can take forever just to get them in. So I've got one left to do. There are, how many lights on this one? So the 4 big candles. There are 4 red dots that have lights, and some of the white bulbs. I don't know if you can see them. There's one there. Some of them have lights as well. So it's really hard because, so that's approximately 12 lights just on this one. But as you can see, it's not just lights. This is a flicker board, so it'll make the candles themselves flicker like real candles. So I had to connect that as well. It wasn't just connecting the lights to the board. And then, of course, after that, I don't know if I can get it. Give me a second. Gosh, this is long. It's got to be like the longest piece of wire. After this, it is... So apologies. Hang on. Apologies. Right. It actually was the phone that was trapping the wire that I was trying to get my hands on. So after that, this isn't the only thing that I'm doing. There is the wreath, and then there is the Christmas tree. And not only that, oh geez, it's all tangled with something else. Apologies. Then you've got the battery pack and everything. The battery pack I'm only using to test because it's USB. I have a long USB cable that will plug into a USB main switch. But again, because they're going to be connected together, all of them, they have another set of ports that I have to use. So it's not a small job because, yeah, there are 12 candles on the Christmas tree, 4 candles on here, so 16 in total flickering, 8 normal light ups on here, and 8 normal light ups on here, and so let's see if I can get this to just plug in for a second. No, wrong side, must be, because it won't go in. Well, this one, have I caught it? Yes. Okay, so here you go. So there you go, 3 of the 4, and you can see which one I haven't connected yet. So yeah, it's, I think you can see that. Can you see that? Yes, you can kind of see it. So yeah, it's done all by feel. And I just use the battery pack to test everything's working. But it's going to be not a small task to get the, what is it, 10 lights, 18 lights, 18 lights and 12 candles. So I'm almost done. The only thing left on the tree is the star, and the only thing left on this one is the last candle, and then it's to hook it into all the powers. So it has taken me 10 days of doing, like, you saw me do 3 really quickly, which was amazing. Some days it has taken me close to an hour to get a port properly fitted, because it just won't go in. Or like last night, the whole Christmas tree fell apart on me, but was all still wired together. So I had to try and push all the Lego pieces back together with the wires and not break anything. So yeah, it's good fun. And it's really hard to be very careful with these delicate little wires because some of them can be like really, really long, like extremely long. So yeah, just thought I would record that so people could see what I'm up to. and how challenging it can be to do it all by feel as opposed to being able to see things. So yeah,